What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. I am back from Charleston. I went down there a couple days to go help my parents out, get them ready for this hurricane, since they can't leave because mom works for a hospital, so they're gonna be stuck down there. But we have a package came in from a friend of mine, and it's wrapped up in a nice little felt. There's a note on it. S4 bumper guard, smiley face. This is the first one they've done. So my friend Josh up in Mass has started making some parts, and he's doing a group buy for all the FC RX7s. So if you have one, hit him up. But Josh is making carbon stuff now, and we've got a carbon bumper guard. So very stoked about this. Got to get this thing on. So that's what we're going to do today. But first I've got to take my son to class because his Mini doesn't work. So for all you guys that don't know and haven't seen the Mini in a while, the water pump killed itself, and we're pretty sure the blower is bad. So we have a new blower sitting in the garage, which we'll hopefully get working on soon. This hurricane's kind of screwing that up. But Alfie's Mini will be back together soon. For now, I'm just hauling around the S2K. But yay, carbon fiber bits. So very excited to get this thing on there. Show you guys. Josh is doing them for S4 and S5 cars. So you can get yours. There's a group buy going on. I think they're $80. I think that's what it is. But just hit him up. I'll have the link somewhere below and you guys can find it. So all UFC people, go hit him up for your carbon fiber bumper guards. They look sick. I'm gonna be thrilled about it, so we'll get that installed today. So I'm taking my son to class because his car's broken, and we'll hopefully fix that soon. But taking Alfie class, we're going to go to Advanced, go to their Ricer section, or no, AutoZone, go to their Ricer section. I'm pretty sure they sell heat tape in it. I think I've seen that once. So we'll go grab that, get Alfie, and then we'll come back and I'll work on getting this carbon bumper guard installed, and we'll go from there. So let's go get him to class. Well, after going to 2 stores, we have our heat tape. So I'm gonna go pick up my son, aka Alfie, from class, and we'll go install this. Well, it's time to throw some more carbon fiber on this car. So I'll just give you, for one, I'll mock it up, show you guys how it fits, how it is, all of that. I'll show you what we need to do this install. Yep, this thing is pretty filthy for my track, but wipe this section down real quick. Here's our bumper guard, and basically just does that. So it'll just sit on there. What Josh was recommending to me was go grab some DEI heat tape, put it around your bumper, a little bit smaller than that, and then we will pop rivet this guy onto the bumper, and it should be a quick and simple install. So not much to it. We're going to get started taping, and then we'll go from there.
God damn, this some serious gourmet shit.
So now that you've heat taped up all of your bumper, we're gonna test fit, as I drop this repeatedly. Test fit, make sure we fit over that, which we do, and then we just gotta drill some holes and pop rivet it. So I'm probably gonna do one here, and then like one on the bottom or a couple down here. I don't know, we'll figure it out. This video is becoming shorter and shorter as I go along, but we've got our holes taped up. So my suggestion, which is what Josh suggested me for drilling carbon fiber, tape over it, go slow, make sure you have it clamped down so if it grabs the twill, it doesn't yank it around back at you. But I marked out the holes in the bumper, got to drill that out. So we've got our pop rivets in. I'm just gonna go back and I'll trim this off. I'll trim this little guy off with a razor blade. But pop rivets are in, everything's good. We're going to go ahead and put them in there and then this thing will be done. So there you have it. Super simple mod, really fast to do, pretty easy. If you don't mind drilling your bumper. Probably takes about 5 minutes to do all of this, but here it is. Huge thank you to Josh for putting the effort to make these things. If y'all have wanted heat shields for your bumpers, definitely go give Josh a shout. These things are fantastic, super easy to do. I love mine. Now, I have a turn down tip, so I'm sure there's gonna be some comments saying, hey, you don't actually need that, which I don't. You're right, I don't need it, but it looks nice, it's carbon, I love carbon stuff. And I'm probably gonna redo the exhaust, so we're either A, gonna switch to a Canon, or B, I'll just bring the whole exhaust back more and then do a really nice turn down so you can actually see it. So since Josh made them, I wanted to go ahead and get it, show him some support, show him some love, and throw it on the car. But definitely get y'all's exhaust shields if you guys need them. If you guys burn bumpers, do it. But that's it for this video. Alfie's got to take the S2K to class here soon, so I'm gonna get to editing, and we will catch y'all later. Bye guys. Hey guys, before I close this video out, I just wanted to let y'all know that we've got some new stickers on the way. They just got finished up by a buddy of mine, and then Abbott is going to start printing them out for us. Hopefully I'll have them next week or the week after, but I want to give you guys a heads up about that. In the next video, I will probably show you guys what it is, but I think y'all are gonna like it. I'm working on basically making up a new website, essentially a merch website for you guys, so you can get whatever stickers you want from me. Start doing the team shirts and just start doing a lot more stuff on that side. Basically help fund my Haltech setup since we kind of burned my ECU at Grid Life. So definitely going to get all that going for you guys. I just wanted to let y'all know it's in the works and it is gonna happen. So stay tuned for the next couple videos because I'll have a lot more information in on that here soon. But yeah, I just want to let you guys know what's up, and thank you for watching. And again, I'll catch y'all later. Bye y'all.